Okay, I'm just about finished with this machine. I want to show you guys something you might can make to make a solenoid very easy to make. Um, this basically straightens your cable. This is also feeder and straightener mechanism. This is where you mount your cylinder and wrap the coil. And I've got a little part rigged up where it sort of feeds the wire nice and neatly on there. Now this is motorized. This is just 12 volt. Don't let these switches fool you. Now that's my motor. Turns very slow with a high amount of torque. I haven't got the light on top yet, but down below, this is my cable feeder. This allows me to have 6 different sized pieces of copper. My little utility box. Just some spare wire. I haven't finished shelves yet, but there's some finished solenoids. These are going to go to a Solinoid V8. All my little dental tools, and for in the dark, voila, got a light. And there will be a light on top. This is not completely finished, but then when I want to know how much voltage my battery has left in it, or see how much draw I'm pulling, that's how I know. I'm at 75%. The light pulls quite a bit of wattage. That might not be my finished light, but you can tell your battery life from there. And the whole machine is mounted on wheels so that I can pick it up and move it. This handle actually collapses down and stows away on those clips. But yeah, that's a fairly quick and easy way to make a solenoid machine. Just reverse car parts. Now, if you want something for smaller use, this machine also being lit up. This is a little bit smaller. Excuse that. That's not supposed to be there. But this again also has the piece that moves back and forth. This is where you mount your cylinder. It runs on 9 volts. It's all. This is made just for smaller wire. Again, this machine's not done, we got wires hanging out, but one of the best things I've found to make solenoid cylinders is Red Bull cans. They're metal. You can super glue them around your cylinder. You're going to want to use that as your inside. But it's non-ferrous, so it's not going to interfere with your solenoid. But they're strong, very slick, so you need very little oil. Plastic tends to deform as it gets hot. I've had solenoid engines lock up before. I actually have a couple that run. Let me plug them in for you. Sorry about this. Alright. Solenoid powered fan. And that actually puts out a decent amount of air. Little solenoid chugging away back there. This is my first one, and it actually is variable speed. There's the little solenoid back there. This bad boy is under construction because I burned up the contacts in it, but that is a 3-cylinder and my boxer engine that I'm still working on. But yeah, that's basically it. And you can make millions of these fairly easily.